Let's talk about items you can use for journaling that available at your home. Papers. You will find different kinds of writable blank paper at your home that you can use to make pages. Use those blank papers to write your day. Papers can be book paper, leisure paper, bill paper. Next is gift wrapping paper. Please don't throw away your leftover gift wrapping paper or used paper. You can use them as a background for your journaling pages. Next is photos. Photos are essential part of journaling, but you can skip it if you don't have. Not necessary. Next is maps. So maps are basically used for travel journal. You can also use in your daily journal to mark your location, where you are going, where you went. Next is tissue paper. I use tissue paper to decoupage my journal pages. Now postages. Postcard, letters, envelope, handwritten letters. You can store them in your journal. This is one of the best ways to store your favorite letters, envelopes, and postcards. Next is bills. Use your tickets, bills, receipts, or any kind of printed paper to add in your journal. Next is children's book. Children's book have very pretty images and very good illustrations. You can use them in your journal. Cut the illustrations and use as per your situation. Describe your emotions. They are very cute and pretty. You can use them to make envelopes, pouches, extra pages in your journal. You can also use those images for a theme journal like fairy tale, Christmas, baby theme, space theme. Next is dried flowers. When someone gives you flower, please don't throw them away. Dry them and use them in your journal. Whenever I travel somewhere, I bring a flower with me or leaves and store them in my travel journal. Packaging. You can also store cute packaging of your products. Next is tags. Whenever we buy something, clothes or accessories, we get those cute tags. You can use them to decorate your journal pages or store as memory.